TikTok has a really cool option called Q&A where your fans or your followers could ask you questions and then the answers will be there by default. It's a new section that you could add to your profile. So I wanted to make this quick video to show you how to do that. Now the Q&A section is only available if you have a few things already in place. You have to have a creator account. I'll show you where to check that. And you have to be in certain countries too. And I'll try to link those below here. So let's go to the profile page here and press the 3 lines on top. And if you see this thing called creator tools, you already have a creator account. If you don't have that, you need to press manage account. And here you need to switch to a creator account. Now, if they don't have that option, this may be rolling out soon to business accounts as well. So you could try that. So back here, to add Q&A, I need to go to Creator Tools. So that's why you need a creator account. And then to activate it, go to Q&A here. And then it says, answer questions from your viewers. Q&A lets your viewers ask questions through profile page or in video comments, which you can answer with a video. So I could turn it on right here. And once it's turned on, you see you get it right here. So I could go ahead and click that. And here, the Q&As for the Howfinity page here, they will show up over here. I don't have any questions yet, but this is a great way to engage with your audience. I hope you found this useful. I post these type of tutorials every single day on this channel, and I hope to see you next time.